Crystal Millán, and I'm here with Anya from Doggy Dental. Anya is a dental hygienist, and she's here to give us some great tips on how to keep our pets' teeth nice and healthy. Anya, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Anya, and I clean dogs' teeth without anesthesia. So I've been a dental hygienist for 9 years. So I cleaned humans' teeth. And then about half a year ago, I moved to Florida, and I discovered this thing where people just clean dogs' teeth. And I started researching, and I was like, oh, maybe I should try doing that. And I trained on my friends' dogs, and everything went well. So now I have my clients. I work at a grooming salon where people bring their dogs for grooming, and right there on the spot, I do their teeth cleaning. I can only do smaller dogs, so I would say up to 20 pounds, just because it's impossible for me to hold a dog still if it's a big dog, because they're not people, and you can't just tell them keep your mouth open, don't move, I'm gonna clean your teeth. It doesn't happen. So only small dogs for now, but we'll see. Maybe we will, I will progress into bigger dogs in the future.
Yeah, I can appreciate that because I have a Rottweiler, and when he was a puppy, he was so easy to do his teeth. But the older he got, he was not having that. So
Yeah.
let me ask you, what are some of the most common problems that you see when you're doing your exams?
So usually I see, sometimes I see loose teeth. Sometimes I see a lot of buildup, especially on their molars. Bad breath, bleeding gums, that's all signs of gum infection, and teeth problems. But it's because people just wait, and, some cultures, like even I'm from Russia, and in our culture, like we don't brush dogs' teeth. We just think, oh, they're animals, it's fine.
Yeah.
But then people realize that if they don't do it consistently, they there's so much buildup that unfortunately even I can't do that, and they have to put their dogs under in order to do that, because it's just a lot, and the dog cannot process it without anesthesia. So
Oh, that's terrible. And
mhm.
how often should we get our dog's teeth clean?
I would say it really depends on the breed, because I noticed in bigger breeds, they can go 1-2 years without cleaning and their teeth are perfectly fine. But for smaller breeds like Yorkies or Chihuahuas, Yorkies have the worst teeth. So I had a Chihuahua puppy that was 8 months old, and he already had a lot of buildup. So
Wow.
I would say just look for signs like stains and stuff like that, especially if dogs have crowded teeth. That's even worse. So that contributes to a lot of plaque and buildup. Yeah, it really all depends on the breed. And of course, it depends on if you brush your dog's teeth yourself.
Yeah, that was going to be my next question was how do we tell if our animal has a problem with their teeth? So it's usually
Um, yeah, like
visual.
bleeding gums, visual, bad breath.
Mhm.
Sometimes a dog would refuse to eat just because it's hurting their teeth so much. But I'm talking about like older dogs that have never gotten their teeth cleaned. It just hurts to eat because they can't chew, so they would refuse to eat.
Oh, that's too bad. I know with my Rottweiler, I bought the water treatment because he didn't allow me to brush his teeth anymore. What do you think about those water treatments?
I honestly think that mechanical action would be the best. Like we brush our teeth with a toothbrush and we floss, but if we just use Listerine or some other solution, they won't really help prevent buildup and plaque. So it's still better to, I mean, it might help to just freshen the breath, but it's still better to really do the manual job and just to brush their teeth.
Okay. What about bones or they have like the little chewy sticks? Do you recommend those?
Bones are great. Everything crunchy, hard that the dog can chew on is perfect, just because it naturally cleanses their teeth. I think, yeah, bones are great.
Okay. What about their diet? Is there anything that they should avoid that may cause tooth decay?
I would say stick to a hard food, no soft food, because soft food it just stays on their teeth. It gets stuck on their teeth,
Oh,
and there is no, like I said, with the bone, there is no action of chewing with the soft food. I mean, if you can manage brushing your dog's teeth every day, maybe you can do that, but I doubt anybody does that. So
yeah, it's so difficult, especially with the larger dogs.
yeah, it is.
So what tips do you have for us that, will help us to keep our dog's teeth nice and healthy?
Well, definitely brushing their teeth. Start when they're puppies, just because they can get used to you doing something in their mouth, and then they're comfortable. Like I know I had clients who brush their teeth every day, and they're like 5 years old, and there is no buildup. I'm just like, great, you're doing an amazing job. Keep doing what you're doing, and you save so much money on vets and cleanings and stuff like that. Because if they have to extract teeth and do that, it's just so expensive. This is crazy. So yeah, like brushing your teeth, your dog's teeth, giving them crunchy snacks and crunchy toys. Those rubber things. Like there is like a bone that has this like little rubber things that they chew on. Also, it's great because you can put the toothpaste inside. I don't know if you've seen those bones. And once when they chew, the toothpaste kind of gets out of the bone. Of course, it tastes like peanut butter or something like that. It's not minty, but the dogs really like it, and it cleanses their teeth too. So annual checkups, just check for stains and, like I said, stuff like that, bad breath, bleeding gums. Yeah.
Great. Anya, if somebody wants to schedule an appointment with you, what would they need to do?
They can always contact me on Instagram, Doggy Dental, or my website, doggydental.net. Anyway, just call, text, make an appointment.
Okay, perfect. All right, I don't want to keep you much longer, but I really appreciate you coming on and giving us this great advice. And I look forward to talking to you again soon. And I'm sure you'll probably be getting some calls because I know I have a few dogs that can definitely use your services myself. So
Great.
I'll be one of them.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All righty, I'll talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.